everyone, this is Franky from TECHWIN. Today I would like to show you around our workshop for glass sandblasters. As you can see, there are many semi-finished products here. These machines are in gray, blue or black. It's up to you. We can customize the colors. And we have three standard models, 1.6 meter, 2 meter and 2.5 meters. The running direction of the machine can be left to right or right to left. Both are available. Now let's check the machine body. There are 3 automatic guns here. We can customize the quantity. If you need 4 guns, we can also provide. And this one with the yellow pipe is for manual. You can operate manually. And the sand will be placed here at the bottom of the machine. This big red switch is for power, and the electrical components will be installed in this cabinet. This hole is for the touch screen, and for export orders we will use the electrical parts like Schneider or Siemens. There are 2 foot pedals here. One is to control transmission and the other is control the manual gun. Now I'm standing at the back of this machine and you can see there is a tank here. This tank is for filtering. There are some filters inside the tank and it will provide air automatically to clean the filters inside. And you can see this connection is for connecting the air compressor. Let's check what else we make here. These are the sand belt grinding machine. It's for grind the glass roughly. This corner is where we process the metal parts. There are bending machine and these 2 employees are working to pack the machine. Today we loaded a 2.5 meter glass sandblaster to our customer in Europe. He also bought a set of air compressors from us. Everything can be loaded in this 20-feet container. So see you machines, see you in Europe, and see you everyone. Hope in the future we can provide and ship machines to you.